Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable Goalkeeper Save Assistant. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and find Game Settings. Now in Gameplay scroll almost all the way down and find Goalkeeper. Switch between Manual, Assisted and Semi. For Semi, balls that travel within close proximity to a player's body will automatically be saved. For all other situations, a save depends on whether or not you get positioning and timing right. This setting only impacts user-controlled goalkeeper. Balls within close proximity to the goalkeeper's body will be automatically saved. For all other situations, positioning is important, but autosave will always make the attempt toward the ball. This setting only impacts user-controlled goalkeeper. Manual. The only saves that are automatic are reflex saves. Everything else will depend on player positioning, timing and the direction you attempt to save. This setting only impacts user-controlled goalkeepers. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.